Hey, welcome back. I'm Shailesh Penna, and today I'll be guiding you through the fixing this Google Service Info.plist file in error in Ionic 5 capacitor. For FCM push notification in iOS, we required this file. So, as a documentation, we need to add Google Service Info.plist file inside the this app folder. So using this uh, structure, we are getting error in Ionic Appflow, or it will be getting error in any cloud-based Appflow. So let's check with the same scenario uh, in Xcode. This is my Xcode, and this is the app folder. There is a no Google service folder is there, file is there. So if I drag this Google service info.plist in this app folder. So first of all, I go to iOS folder, app folder. Inside app, I already have Google service info.plist file. So as a documentation, we need to drag this file to here. Then it will be automatic generate required path and all. If I drag, and it will be ask some target files. So it's required this check mark and finish it. And this in this project.pbx project file, it will be automatically required things will be generated, and it's correct. Okay, and using this flow, it will be work correctly, and iOS notification also working fine. But the issue is in the cloud base, in the cloud bed Appflow, it's getting failed. So I'm facing this issue from the last 2 days. I checked the entire the forums and all, and also I checked with Ionic support. They are saying the same things, and one of this guy suggest me to add some script for capacitor sync after, but it's not working as well. And also he suggests more things, and again they are suggesting me to the don't directly paste inside the app folder. Copy from, use Xcode and drag from the finder, but it will work fine in Xcode, not in the Appflow things. So this one I only raised for push notification not receiving in iOS, and he suggested me to add. He said some documentations, and it's fixed me for notification, but when I push to the Appflow, it's getting failed. This is the errors which I'm getting, and he suggested to add inside the app folder. I add, as well as this one also is correct, but still I'm getting the errors. So what is the solution for this? Okay. uh, Instead of adding in app folder, please delete this, not required here. And this is also not required inside the app folder. If you add in outside this iOS folder, or simply you can add in root folder instead of adding in the iOS folder, because in Appflow or any project, before build, this iOS folder it won't be there. This app folder won't be there before build. After build only it will be created. So that's the reason it's getting failed to find that folder. I will show the errors. uh, yeah, here clearly mentioned like, did you forget to declare the file, and output of script phase, like that. There is a no file is there inside the app folder. So that's the reason instead of adding this iOS folder, just add in your root folder, because this root folder is stable and it will be fetched from this root folder. First of all, add this Google service info.plist file inside the root folder, and then just drag from here. If you see, the few things are changed now. Instead of Google, where is that? Just a second. Yeah. In the path here, instead of directly Google service info plist, here total path is getting from root folder. Then if you push to Appflow, it will be perfectly built and it will work as well. Push notification also, it's worked properly. I check, and after that I creating this video for you guys. uh, thank you so much. This is the solution. Just you add in root folder and then drag from here, it will be work perfectly. Thank you so much.